So hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use Kittl.com to make free mockups. Okay, so let's start it. It's very easy. Just go to this website named Kittl.com and sign up with your email ID. Then after that, what you have to choose what's your product is. Select your product, t-shirt, logos, hoodies, sweets, bags, art, or anything else. Or you can also select the design from here. And if you don't have anything, just click on new project. Okay, I'm gonna click on new project. Then after that, I will select the size from there. Okay, click on create. Let me check it's working. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. Then you can also select the designs from there or you can add your design. How you will add your design? Just click on this option, click on images, upload your, click on photo. Oh, this option actually. You can generate your design by typing here or you can upload the design from this icon. Okay. I've already uploaded like cuteness key factory. I'm going to increase the size of it. Then after that, I will click on mockup option. Okay, now you can select your product on what you want to show this design. So I'm gonna select this laptop or this one. Okay, now you can see if I want to add a t-shirt, I will show you. Okay, then after that I will click on download mockup. You can also change the background from there. Okay, so here is the our mockup page. If you want to change into a shirt or if you have shirt, just click on t-shirt. Okay, and then increase the size of it, put it there. Okay, you can also change the shirt color like this. Okay, then click on download mockup. It's very easy, very simple. Just try this. You can see the mockup is here and it's without watermark. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.